Hey everyone, I just received a package from Crossway. So here are some review copies, and I'm going to open this up and see what we got here. So I just wanted to share a quick unboxing. See what we have. We have a dull knife is what we have. I'll get it. I need to sharpen this. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Alright, let's get this box out of the way. Teen Study Bible and Journaling Study Bible. So let's just open them up real quick, see what we have. I have two cats trying to fight, so you might hear some ruckus in the background. Now we'll be reviewing these soon. Crossway did send these in exchange for an honest review. That's interesting. Two-color design, hardcover. So that looks pretty nice. It's a student, or it's a teen study Bible, so it has fewer notes and things like that. It looks pretty good. I like the look of that. Don't always need all the things, especially if it's a Bible you're carrying. That's not too bad for carry. Let's see what else we have here. Journaling Study Bible. Now, I expected the Journaling Study Bible to either have very small font or be a very large Bible. This is not a very large Bible, so it's probably going to be a small font. There's my cats in the background. Alrighty, so 2-inch margins, 12,000 study notes. So we'll have to compare this to the regular study Bible. I did order it in the rough leather, which I'm a fan of that leather. I like that. So it's the size of a regular journaling Bible. Font's not too small. I think it's a 7-point, but it has a lot of space in the text. So I expected that this might be the regular study Bible, just with journal notes with the margins added, but I'm not sure that's the case. We'll do a comparison. Yeah, it doesn't have all the material in the back. So it looks like this might be made just for a journaling edition, which I like when they do that. Customize something rather than just reuse what they have. Of course, reuse the good parts, but then customize it to a specific format. Pretty good. I can see this being a good Bible right here. Like all study Bibles, there's going to be notes that you may or may not agree with. I recommend using it for reference. Do your own study. Yeah, I'll be reviewing both of these. And I do have a few ahead of both of these. But these are coming soon, hopefully. So be watching for the reviews. And I appreciate Crossway sending these in exchange for an honest review. Thanks for watching.